Everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Pala Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 5th of July 2022. So, DCDs is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So, Muffin Finance has received in principle approval from the RBI to issue which type of prepaid payment instrument? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is semi-close. So recently, Mufin Finance, one of the leading NBFC, has received in principle RBI approval for issuance of semi-closed prepaid payment instruments. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following companies has announced the purchase of Blinkit Commerce, also known as Blinkit, formerly known as Grofar India? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Zomato. So recently, Zomato, the online food delivery platform, has announced the acquisition of Blink Commerce, also known as Blinkit, previously known as Grofar India. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which company has introduced wearable ATM card as well as offline UPI? So the correct answer of this question is option D. So recently, S Money has launched UPI 123 Pay payment and wearable ATM card. So the UPI 123 Pay payment allows people to carry out cashless transaction without smartphones or internet connection using feature phones. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following days is National Insurance Awareness Day observed? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 28th of June. So recently the National Insurance Awareness Day is observed on 28th of June annually. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which state government won the second place honor at the 2022 National MSME Award? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Bihar. So recently the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Department Government of Odisha has been awarded first prize in the category of National MSME Award 2022 to state and union territories for outstanding contribution in the promotion and development of MSME sector. So basically Bihar and Haryana were second and third respectively. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who is the author of the report of India's gig economy? That is India's booming gig and platform economy. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is NITI Aayog. So recently NITI Aayog launched a report, India's booming gig and platform economy, on gig economy in India. So basically gig workers are typically those who work freelancers, contractual, temporary or on-call basis. So it is estimated that in 2020 to 2021, 77 lakh workers were engaged in gig economy. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following person contribution is recognized by National Statistic Day each year? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So the Professor Prasant Chand Mahalanobis is recognized on National Statistic Day for his contribution to economic planning and statistics. Okay, so now move to the next question. Recently, SEBI offered UPI payment option for REIT, an investment public offering for application value up to how much funds? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is rupees 5 lakh. So recently SEBI provide an additional payment option of UPI and Unified Payment Interface mechanism to retail investor to apply in the public issue of retail investment and investment ITs for application value up to rupees 5 lakh. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which company recently unveiled a global healthcare plan that set a new standard for the industry? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. So recently the Bajaj Allianz General Insurance announced the launch of a new health insurance product, that is Global Healthcare. So it is a comprehensive health indemnity insurance product that provides seamless cover to the policyholder for plan as well as emergency treatment availed for domestic and international usage. Okay, so now move to the next question. Rajneesh Kumar recently launched an automated pay and allowance module for the Indian Coast Guard. So what is the name of it? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is PADMA. So the role pay automation disbursement of monthly allowances and automated pay and allowance module for the Indian Coast Guard was inaugurated by Rajneesh Kumar, who is the Controller General of the Defence Account and Ministry of Defence. Okay.